railway came, the railway director came back. Now, this railway director just took charge of the railway when some people couldn't. Now, his name was Mr. Gold, and he had a very important announcement to make. Now, I know that things have kind of been a little bit weird, said Mr. Gold, but there's been an engine missing. 2, in fact. One was ghosty and the other was blackout. But to replace them, hope he doesn't, said William. Really hope he doesn't, said Mid. Are 2 new engines. Spoke too late, said William. You're so right, said Mid. Here are Ruby and Hank. What's his name again? We're gonna name him Goldie, sir, but Tank is all we could come up with. A tank. Da, 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 da. Now, there was 2 engines. One was Ruby, and the other was Tank. That looked a lot like Goldie. Now, these 2 engines are going to be shunters, and do not bother with them. They are very useful and very kind. That's all I have to say. Now go back to work, everyone. Wow. This is really weird. Maybe we should treat them with respect. Yeah, we probably should. They're just new engines. Oh, by the way, if you hear the siren we just installed, that means pirates are coming. There has been people seeing pirates on their ships, and we want to always make sure that we're safe. And also, the airplane that got stuck here finally has enough fuel to leave. All the engines cheered. Everyone except Crystal and Goldie. Goldie was telling Crystal that he figured out why Ghosty was gone. And also Blackout was gone. Goldie told Crystal that Blackout might have kidnapped Ghosty. And Goldie's theory was right. But they did not know that yet. So we just hear this alarm. Let me sound it real quick. That means pirates are coming. Sound it off. So, don't worry. There's probably really no chances of pirates. Mr. Gold was hoping that, but that day pirates did come. But not yet. Well, anyways, get back to work, all of you. Have fun working. And Mr. Gold dropped down. Well, that's kind of weird, said Ted. Yeah, I know what you mean, said Lady. Let's get back to work. Let's help Goldie work in the mine. Even it's his shift to do it now. Yeah. Hello there, said Ruby. How are you? Copa. The name's Copa. Copa is my friend Tank, and then I'm Ruby. I can turn A stuff into Ruby. It'll make our shed better. Do you have a shed? Yeah. I want to make one out of all the gold we find, then I can turn them into rubies. And I can basically turn into gold, which is really helpful for this situation. Yeah, well, we're shunters. See that there isn't many cars here, so we'll just be on our way. No, wait. I think we're good. You just talked to me. Okay. Suddenly, the airplane had an announcement. I'm going to be taking off. Nice seeing you all. They all, even Gold and Crystal, told them bye. Going. And it was gone in a flash. Wow, we're gonna meet them. Now we're here. Because Freddy finally decided what he should do with the gold. He duplicated it, and he restored it magic buffers, but told Min not to back into it, and she listened. But Min was not supposed to tell anyone. Only people who knew were William, Mid, and Ghost Freddy. Now, that day, there's tons of pirates out, but they didn't know about that. And And the reason the siren didn't go off is because Copa stole the wiring for it. You know, Copa didn't know that there's a siren for pirates, and he thought he left the wiring in. And he always thought that he would be okay because no one would ever really know about it, because since there's no such thing as a camera back then. Later that night, a huge kaboom sound rang. Woke up all the engines, and the siren went off, but that was only because Copa installed the wiring last night. The sirens went off. Ghost Freddy told everyone the buffers are activated. Go! He screamed. All of them rushed and ran. Go, come on, go for the life of you. What about me? Said Mike. I want to just be stuck here. Sorry, Mike. All the onions were going as quick as they could. Not in there, get struck, Corby. Come on, hurry, Copa. I'm trying. You're gonna ruin yourself, Grandpa. Just sit in. I found the other engines. Hurry. Come on, take the cars with you. Take them. No, you can't do that. They're just terrible. So let's go. And they vanished. Now, William teleported Crystal away. Crystal not even knowing it. Just about as Goldie was going out, William said, "Don't go out, Goldie. You won't be safe if you do. But stay in the mine. Do it." "Okay," said Goldie, and he stayed in the mine. Then William teleported away. And then there's a huge earthquake. It broke up the tracks, threw Mike over, and toppled the shed over. But none of it got damaged. At least the shed didn't. Trees and rocks collapsed on Goldie, blocking Goldie inside. Goldie was trapped and couldn't go anywhere. He fell asleep because he closed his eyes and didn't wake up.